Hello guys, so today I'll be folding my origami Glock. Here. Yeah. So first you want to start out with a square piece of paper and you want to make a 8 by 8 grid. So you're gonna fold it in half like this. Then you're gonna fold it the other way like so. Okay. Then you're gonna bring all the sides to the center line twice. Okay. So one, then the other. So do that for all the sides. Then again here. Then finally the last side. Okay, like this. Then you're gonna fold all the crease line like a fan up. Okay, and make it so the edges are facing downward like this. And you're gonna leave 2 columns in the back. Okay, then you're gonna do the same thing and make a fan going towards the front. Okay. So you're folding the crease line over. Okay. Bring this together. And the same thing in the front, except that you hold the front 2 columns open and the rest of them you just fold them down. So kind of pinch bring the corners in together. Okay. Okay, like so. Then you bring the back flap down like this. So the mountain fold is on the back side. Okay. Now you're gonna open this flap here. Then you're going to fold the back side inside out. So kind of push this in. The little cup thing, you're gonna reverse it out like this. Then you see this square in the back. You're gonna fold that in half. Okay. You're gonna fold this inside. And you're gonna fold the triangle to the back like that. Okay. And you're gonna bring the side flap, bring it back like that. I'm gonna fold it downward like this and fold this tip in like that. Then you're gonna fold this whole thing in half like that and bring this flap into the first pocket here. Not the open one, but the closed one. then fold in that corner here, like that. Now you see this square in the front, you're gonna fold them in here, like that. Okay. Now you're gonna fold a little bit on the top, like that. That, and just square it out, like so. Then you see this square on the top of the grip, you're gonna just push the back side a little onto the crease line there, like so. And just fold it flat down like that. Okay, then you just fold in that corner in like that. Yep, and here's your Glock. I don't know which model, but looked at some pictures online and yeah, something like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.